I know. Most men wonder why women rarely make the first move on a guy they find attractive. It is not just about playing hard to get. It is deeper than that. If you have been confused about female behavior, this will open your eyes. Women are wired differently. They approach attraction with emotions, instincts, and psychology that men often miss. So in this video, I will expose 5 major reasons women do not chase men. 1. They enjoy being chased. Women love the thrill of being pursued. It makes them feel wanted, desired, and feminine. When a man chases her, it confirms her value and lets her experience the excitement of being chosen. This dynamic plays into the natural attraction between masculine and feminine energy. If a woman has to do the chasing, it takes away that excitement for her. It also makes her wonder if you are worth the effort. Women know they have options, so they would rather sit back and wait for the right man to come after them. If you focus on being that man, she will feel drawn to you without needing to chase. 2. Fear of rejection. Rejection hits women harder than you might think. Even if she likes you, the thought of being turned down makes her hesitate. She is wired to protect herself emotionally, so she will not risk putting herself in a vulnerable position. That is why most women avoid chasing. It is safer to wait for signals from you first. When a man leads, she feels more secure in responding. If you leave things open and unclear, she will pull back rather than put herself in the line of fire. As a man, you need to make her feel safe enough to follow your lead without fear. 3. They are more nervous than you think. It might surprise you that many women feel nervous around men they are interested in. Even the most confident women can struggle with insecurity. They worry about saying the wrong thing, coming off too strong, or being judged. This nervousness makes them hold back instead of making the first move. Women prefer to stay on familiar ground, where they do not have to risk embarrassment. When you remain calm and composed, it helps ease her nerves. But if you are the one chasing too hard, it only makes her more anxious. She needs to feel like she can slowly open up to you without pressure. 4. Deep ego due to attention from men. Women are constantly getting attention from men. Compliments, stares, and DMs, so they are used to it. This attention builds a sense of ego, whether they realize it or not. When men chase them, it feeds that ego and boosts their confidence. Because they get so much attention, they have also become picky. A woman will not chase because she believes she does not need to. She is convinced that men will come to her anyway. This is why women often seem distant or selective. They only respond to the men they truly feel are above the crowd. If you act like you are one of the masses chasing her, you will blend in, stand out by not chasing. 5. Real men do not value women who chase them. High-value men know their worth. They understand that women naturally follow a man with purpose and direction, but not to chase him. A real man does not need a woman to chase him. He attracts her through his actions, mindset, and energy. When a woman chases, it makes her look desperate, and men with options will not respect that. Women sense this. They know that real men do not value women who act needy. That is why they hold back and let men do the chasing. If you stay focused on your life and goals, women will notice. When they do, they will start gravitating toward you, but not in a way that looks like they are chasing you. In conclusion, women do not chase because it goes against their nature. They enjoy being pursued, fear rejection, get nervous around men they like, and are fueled by constant male attention. They also know that high-value men will not respect women who act desperate. If you understand these dynamics, you will understand deeply why women do not chase men. On your end as a high-value man, focus on becoming the kind of man women wants to follow. A calm, confident, and purpose-driven man. Thanks for staying till the end. Tell your friends about what we preach on this channel. See you in our next video.